In the warm fields, ripe cantaloupes are harvested by hand at the peak of sweetness. Each melon is carefully selected and placed to avoid bruising during transport. Crates are loaded onto trailers right at the harvest edge. Freshly harvested cantaloupes begin their short journey to the processing facility. A steady stream of trailers carries the day's harvest to the juice factory. The harvest arrives at the dedicated juice production facility.
Slide it forward! Got it, moving to the door! Next pallet ready!
Inside the plant, the raw fruit is prepared for initial handling. The melons start their journey through the cleaning and sorting process. Fresh cantaloupes enter the factory's initial cleaning stage. The fruit passes through the first high-pressure wash to remove soil and debris. Excess water drains away before the next gentle cleaning stage. Gentle brushes polish the rinds without damaging the fruit. Air knives quickly dry the surface for accurate inspection. Trained workers sort only the best melons for juice production. Size grading ensures consistent processing in the next stages. Uniform melons are now ready for the preparation phase. Mechanical cutters halve the melons to expose the juicy interior. The halved fruit now moves to have its seeds removed before pulping. The prepared cantaloupes approach the main processing building of the juice factory. Inside the modern facility, the real juice extraction process begins. The factory floor is optimized for high-volume cantaloupe juice production. Seeds and core are efficiently removed from every melon half. Powerful pulpers break down the melon flesh into coarse pulp. The coarse pulp is transferred for further refination. Screw presses extract maximum liquid from the pulp. The fresh extract moves to the heating stage for stabilization. Controlled heating prepares the juice for final refinement. Initial filtration begins removing larger pulp particles. Vibrating screens separate fine solids from the developing juice. Secondary filtration polishes the juice further. Workers monitor the juice for consistent quality during filtration. Centrifugal force removes the last traces of suspended particles. The juice now emerges remarkably clear and vibrant. Polished juice collects in a buffer tank before final processing. Flow rates are manually fine-tuned for consistent production. The juice now enters the critical pasteurization stage. Gentle heating destroys harmful bacteria while preserving flavor. Rapid cooling preserves the fresh taste and color of the juice. Air is removed to prevent oxidation and extend shelf life. Final blending ensures uniform quality across every batch. Careful blending maintains consistent flavor and texture. The refined juice waits in holding tanks before packaging. Operators ensure precise levels for continuous production. The juice is now fully prepared for packaging. Pipes carry the finished juice to the high-speed filling lines. The juice reaches the final filling and packaging preparation stage. High-speed rotary fillers precisely dispense the juice into bottles. Filled bottles proceed immediately to sealing. Caps are applied and tightened to seal in freshness. Labels are precisely wrapped onto every sealed bottle. Shrink wrapping prepares packs for safe handling and distribution. The wrapped packs cool quickly before boxing. Multi-packs are efficiently loaded into shipping cases. Cases are securely sealed for transport. From field to bottle, the cantaloupe juice is now fully transformed and ready. Automated systems stack the finished cases onto pallets with precision. Stretch wrapping secures the pallet load for safe movement. Finished pallets are conveyed toward the finished goods warehouse. Pallets enter the organized warehouse for temporary storage. Forklifts handle the heavy pallets with care and efficiency. Pallets are transported to their designated storage positions. Products are stored efficiently in multi-level racking systems. The cycle of storage continues seamlessly across shifts. Warehouse operations maintain steady flow from production to dispatch. Stored pallets are retrieved as orders require shipment. Loading docks connect the warehouse directly to outbound transport. Pallets are loaded directly into waiting transport vehicles. Each pallet is positioned carefully to maximize load stability. Forklifts cycle continuously between warehouse and loading bays. Loading continues pallet by pallet for full truck utilization. Load securement ensures safe transport to distribution centers. Once loaded, trucks are sealed for secure delivery. Finished product begins its journey from the factory to markets. Completed shipments leave the facility through controlled gates. Documents, please.
Here you go.
Security verifies every outbound load before release. The journey from factory to customer distribution now truly begins. Trucks carry the fresh cantaloupe juice to regional warehouses and stores. Modern logistics ensure rapid delivery of the finished product. Reliable transport keeps the supply chain moving efficiently.